Alright guys, today I wanted to do an unboxing review and setup of my new 360 endoscope. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look. So that's how it comes. Very well packaged. User manual. Type C to Type C. Type C to Lightning, which is the one we'll end up using, or maybe even for the iPad, we'll see. It is a 360-degree rotating camera. Let's check it out. This is cool. So if you're like doing any kind of electrical work, those hard to reach places like in the car or anything like that, this is gonna help you out with that big time. And then this is the stand for it. Check that out. That is cool. Let's take this out. Bam, we are ready to go. I do just want to show some of the features that are on here. It's got a camera button right here and a light feature. Here's where we'll actually hook it up. And then this should help operate the camera as well. And I'll just show you that. Look at that. Very, very cool. So let's go ahead and actually, maneuver it around here, see what the quality actually looks like, and then we'll go from there. All right, so first you're gonna want to download that Use Plus app. All right, and then after that, you might want to put the camera wherever you like, and then we'll plug in the Type C to Type C, at least for the iPad. And you just give it a couple seconds. As you can see, it registered it right away. So I'll just go ahead and give you a tour of it. Cool feature is that 360 rotating gooseneck lens. The camera's mounted on a flexible but sturdy gooseneck that can be easily adjusted using the natural rotating wheel on the handle. That flexibility allows you to maneuver the camera in small spaces to get a complete view without any blind spots. You'll see me doing that a couple of times while I have the camera in the vehicle. The camera is a 2 megapixel resolution. That'll provide clear and detailed images, but you can also capture high quality stills or record videos. So as you can see on that left hand side, it has a video option and a photo option. Another awesome feature is that it is a IP67 waterproof and oil resistant, which means you can use it in any kind of like plumbing or areas exposed to oil. And the last cool feature that I thought was that it comes with 6 built-in LEDs lights at the tip of the camera. Those LEDs will help illuminate any space so you can see exactly what you're doing, whether it's dark or not. All right guys, so there you have it, man. This was super simple to use. It was literally plug and play once you had that app downloaded. So if you're looking for a new 360-degree endoscope, definitely look into this. When you saw that quality, I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend, 10 out of 10.